to Richest Billionaires Homes, where we explore the creme de la creme of luxury real estate from around the globe. Today, we're about to take a peek into a property that could easily rival any billionaire's dream. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the extraordinary. Nestled in the serene and celebrity-filled enclave of Englewood, New Jersey, sits a mansion that could easily make you question if you're still on Earth or if you've stepped into some swanky, otherworldly dimension. With a price tag just shy of $50 million, this 16,000 square foot behemoth of luxury living is a blend of elegance, modernity, and a sprinkle of what I like to call Hollywood meets Zen garden. Imagine moving out of the hustle and bustle of Manhattan, only to find yourself in what seems like a private paradise that's just a breezy 10-minute drive from the city. A perfect escape that lets you shout, "I need to zen out," and actually mean it. The home sprawls over 1.6 acres in the picturesque town of Englewood, a 5-square-mile area brimming with arts, culture, and enough nature to make you feel one with the universe. Picture this: you're sipping on your morning latte, peering out at the Bergen Performing Arts Center or the tranquil Flat Rock Brook Nature Center, while your favorite celebrity neighbor nods in approval. Now, let's step inside this masterpiece, crafted by the local real estate legend, Anthony Fonti. Picture a 2-story living green wall greeting you as you enter, making you feel like you're stepping into an eco-luxury magazine spread. It's like the great outdoors decided to pop in and say hello, but without the bugs. From this verdant welcome, your eyes might be pulled towards the shimmering 45-foot-long infinity pool, seamlessly blending with the horizon. Can't swim? No worries. It doubles as an epic Instagram backdrop for those just another day in paradise posts. Feeling stressed? Stroll over to your very own Zen garden. Yes, you read that right. A Zen garden. Here, you can meditate, contemplate, or just take a moment to appreciate that life is, quite literally, a garden of tranquility. Inside, the home brims with amenities designed for those who appreciate the finer things in life. Hit the gym to keep your physique as sharp as the home's architecture, or head to your 400-bottle wine cellar to sip, savor, and maybe even show off your sommelier skills. And just when you think it can't get any better, there's a movie theater with a ceiling mimicking a starry night. Think of it as stargazing without dealing with the unpredictable weather or bug bites. If the grandiosity of it all is making you dizzy, fret not. The mansion comes equipped with an elevator that shuttles you between its 3 levels. Because, let's be real, who needs the hassle of stairs in a 16,000 square foot home? Hey there! If you're enjoying this tour, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Richest Billionaires Homes for more exclusive peeks into luxury living. We've got plenty more amazing properties lined up, and you won't want to miss them. The heart of the house. A glass-enclosed lanai with a fireplace and roll-up walls. It's the ultimate 4-season hangout spot where gatherings transform into legendary events. With ceilings soaring to 13 feet and wide plank natural oak hardwood floors underfoot, it's easy to feel like you're floating through an architectural dream. The kitchen, a creation by Couche Plus Cucina, is every chef's fantasy. With top-of-the-line Gaggenau appliances and custom cabinets that make whipping up a midnight snack feel like a Michelin star endeavor. Whether you're entertaining in the dining room, around the custom bar that seats 7, or in the cozy family room, you'll never be short on space or style. Need a quiet moment? Retreat to your library home office or the den. For those more intimate, reflective times, or perhaps just a solid place to store all those books you'll someday read. The second floor is home to 5 en-suite bedrooms. The primary suite. It's practically a house in its own right, occupying a private wing with its own sitting room, double walk-in closets, and a bathroom that screams opulence with its heated floors. While skyline views are absent, 2 terraces offer tranquil views of the Ramapo Mountains, perfect for a morning coffee or evening wind down. But wait, there's more. Head downstairs to the subterranean lower level where sunken gardens flood the space with natural light. Here, you'll find an en-suite bedroom for staff or guests, an additional gym, vast storage, and potential for a games room, wellness suite, or another home theater. It's essentially a luxury resort, but you get to call it home. In summary, this mansion isn't just a home, it's a lifestyle, an experience, a standing ovation in the world of real estate. So, if you've got a spare $50 million and a desire to live like an A-lister, why not take the plunge? And for the rest of us, let's just enjoy the tour, laugh a little, and dream a lot. Cheers to living large and loving life. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to @Richest Billionaires Homes for more jaw-dropping real estate tours. Share this video with your friends and family, and let's spread the love for luxurious living. Until next time, stay fabulous and keep dreaming big.